So guys, this app that I shared, you actually go live and they pay you. You don't need someone to gift you. No, for you staying on that live, you're going to be automatically paid. So stay tuned and make sure that you watch this video as I show you how you're going to start live streaming on this app. So yesterday I actually gave out an app that has been a secret for so many people. This app that I revealed yesterday, it is the app that so many people are earning money from and they don't want anyone to know it. Each time you ask about that app, they will tell you the name of the app, and then that name, when you go to Google, you try searching it, you are not going to get that app. The reason they do that is because they don't want so many people on that app to earn money like they are earning. So that is the reason why they have been keeping these apps secret, so that so many people will not, go to that app and start earning money. And I decided to reveal this app, and so many people are happy to know this app, and other people are still asking, how do I go live? What do I do? Like, guys, let me tell you, if someone gives you a tip, like if someone tells you, like gives you something like that app, and it is something that you can actually earn a lot of money from it, it is your own duty to go and do a research on how you can start earning money on that app. To show you the app, and then we start earning money together. No, this is just a video I'm doing. I can't do this video for 30 minutes or for 1 hour. No one is going to watch it because it is going to be long. So I have decided to make this video to tell you guys that this app that I told you yesterday, it actually pays. And if you want to learn on how you can actually start going live on this app, because this app pays for you going live. When you go live, you get paid. Whether someone gifts you or not, you are going to get paid. For those hours that you're going to spend on that live, you're going to get paid. So I'm going to show you how you are going to go live on that app. And once you know that, kindly just go and do your research and start going live. You're going to earn money from that app. I hope by now everyone has that app. Yeah, I hope as per now everyone has that app. This is the app. So if you come here, you are going to see these are the people who are live. Let's start or begin with discover. Let's see. If you want to discover something, you just click on discover and you're going to see people here. Or let's click on party. These are the people, you see? These are the people. And here in party, you're going to get so many countries. We have Ghana, we have Nigeria, we have Philippines. You see, we have Ethiopia. So let's see. Let's check on Nigeria and see. We have Nepal. So you see, these are Nigerians. You see, this one, Woman King, Josh Empire. These are the people who are making money on this app, guys. And you see, these are the people, these are Africans, Nigerians. These are the people from Nigeria, because everyone, every part here has a, we have Philippines, Nepal. So you can click on your country's name. So all these are Nigerians. All these are Nigerians, guys. You see, these ones are Nigerians. And you can click on live and see all these people are live. All these people are live. These ones are live streaming. You see? You see? This one is Doll's Corner. You see, this Doll's Corner, she's live now and she's a Nigeria. You see? So what you are going to do, if you want to start to create your live stream, just click on my room. You see where it is written my room. Click on that my room. It is going to bring you here. It will tell you to create your room. Then type, you want your room to be of chatting and playing with friends, or video chat, talk and play by videos, or live streaming. All these ones you can earn money from talk and play with friends. You can earn money from talk and play by videos. You can as well earn money from live streaming. And live streaming is the biggest, like if you want to earn money, you better choose live streaming. Because on live stream, you're going to earn money. Whether someone gifts you or not, you're going to earn money. For you sitting on that live stream for 2 hours, for 3 hours, you are going to earn money. So you click on whichever you want. If you want to chat with friends, if you want to video chat, click on any that you want. And then you are going to click on room cover. On room cover is whereby you're going to upload your profile, like your picture. Yes, and then you will come here and put your name. Like for example, let me put G1. Yeah. After that, you will come to introduction. In this place of introduction is whereby if someone comes to your live, you can tell them what you do on live, or you can just welcome them. You can as well say, welcome to my room. Feel free to ask me anything. Then that one is an introduction, whereby when someone clicks on your live, they will read that. And then you will come here, auth protection. Without auth protection, they are not going to create it for you. So what does auth protection mean? That you're going to scan your face. Let me show you. You see here, you're going to scan your face like this. You see, you're going to scan your face, and after scanning your face, then you're going to, after scanning your face, they are going to capture it. After capturing it, you will now click on create. You see, when I click on create, they are not going to create it because I haven't submitted my auth protection. So that one means that no one can actually, come and steal your identity there, or no one can hack your account, because it is your face. Your face is it is like your lock or unlock screen, something like that. So guys, what I'm going to tell you is that after doing that, click on create, and they are going to create it for you. So you're going to be able to start earning, to start going live and earning money. And for those people who are asking me to put a link on my comment section so that they can to create something like an agency. I don't want to be an agent, because the reason why I don't want to be an agent, it is because if you are an agent, you have to be on live stream. Like, you have to be active there 24/7. Because once you are an agent, people are going to come through you. And if they live stream and they do whatever they do, you earn money. But because I don't have that time to stay on that live stream for so long, I'm not going to do that. So guys, I hope this video is going to help you. Don't be that person that when someone shares something with, and then you still come back, ask, oh, how do I withdraw? How do I do? Every information is inside there. All the information is inside there. The only thing that you have to do is to also click, just be curious, be curious. Be that person that wants to know, like, if I click here, what am I going to see? If I click here, what is it going to bring? That is how people actually earn money. But if you keep on asking things, you are not going to learn. Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and in case of anything, just put it on the comment section, because I do reply for each and every, comment. So stay blessed.